So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Forex Flipper. From $150 to over 100k USD, I decided to buy myself a new brand AMG Mercedes worth 50k USD. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been lost for a while on YouTube. I've been organizing my trading flow, and then I've been working on my Flipper Academy. So guys, everything is set as a company. I'm going to be giving you a lot of YouTube content, right? So let me take you through the brand new Mercedes Benz. So guys, we have a lot of AMGs here in Uganda, but this is a special one. I'm going to show you its cool and nice features. Actually, in the Forex industry, we have few traders who have this AMG, but of course, this is a different one. This is the best AMG Benz that we have in this Forex industry so far. And just look on, we are bringing in more brand cars. So guys, let me make you a review of this Mercedes Benz. Actually, this thing was programmed on me, but on Brad actually. So if I want to unlock it, I don't need a key to unlock itself. Since I've been away from YouTube for a while, let me first make you a review of our old Mercedes Benz. So when you look at this Mercedes, my old Mercedes, the reason why I never wanted to remove this car, it is because it gave me the first feeling of a German car, right? So when you look at it, it has nice rims here. I think you can see them. When you look at its front, it is shaped very well. It has sensors everywhere. I think you can see. That's why you can't see any scratch, right? I've not been hitting walls because of these nice features. So as you can see, New Year 2 keys, Mercedes-Benz keys. So guys, when you look at this car here, remember it was my first German car. Do you know that feeling? Your first German car. I was like, it had a lot of features that I never saw in a Toyota. When you look at its steering here, it has this Benz emblem here, which looked so good for me because I was driving on a Toyota. I think you can understand. So when you look at its dashboard here, it was my first time to get a Benz. When you look at its dashboard here, it has cool features here of the SC. It has cool features of the classic and sport mode. It has a lot of features here which I'm now used, right? And also what I liked about this car, it had also what they call the lean control or cruise control. I think I call it the cruise control. So this thing could hold its gauge, right? So this thing could drive itself. Should I say it could drive itself? Because it was a cool feature. I had not seen it anywhere. So another cool feature that this car had, that is this gear lever here. The gear lever here, it had a drive, reverse. So this thing was very easy for me to drive, and I like it. But so since we've got a new baby, so this one will be now going in villages. It will be going, I don't know, but it will be going in my farms. Katiko gamba emotoka eno nebanga buli kimu ekikola masavu merere. Osobola okulaba wano lighting zaayo ekiru ina warm lights gamba nungi nyonyo. But nagambye no, let me now get another brand new Mercedes. I could get other brands. I could get Range Rovers. Actually, I was going to get a Range Rover, but then when I looked at it, it never gave me a good expression, right? So I like the Mercedes Benzes. So you can see the gauge, it is at 260. So guys, before showing you the face of our new special car, let me first show you this only judge of ours. So look at the lights here. The lights are not so bad, but even these lights also they are expensive. It has also these spotlights here. When you look at it has also a nice emblem. This emblem here is also not that cheap, it's expensive. It has a good emblem here which shows you that you're having a Benz. Even if you're sitting down there, then this thing has been stolen off or it has gone off, you feel like you're not driving a Mercedes. So when you look at also this these car wash lamps, so because this thing it can wash lamps by itself. It has nice features in there. A 50k USD car in our Ugandan currency, that's 180 M, is not something cheap. Now let me show you what makes this thing very unique, right? So I've shown you those lights of our old Mercedes, but then when you look at these lights, you can check here, it has Mercedes-Benz, right? It has it shows you that it has LED intelligence light system, right? And this thing looks very nice at either during daytime or night time. You can see only this lamp, right? For us here in Uganda, the car spare is very expensive. That's why people who drive these cars, we sleep maybe in quiet places. We don't over move because the boda guy hits this one light of yours, then you feel the expense. But me as a trader, I don't care. I just drive recklessly because I know even if it has any problem, I either buy another one or it is very simple for me to fix it. So when you look at the face of this car, there's a very nice membrane of the Mercedes-Benz logo, right? When you look at this logo here, so instead of the emblem that they were putting here, these guys made a new cool future of this marble Mercedes logo. When you look at also this one has but these ones are also modified, as you can see. It has lamp washers. I don't know how they call them, but then it can wash its lamps here if they are dirty. And when you check another nice cool feature, it has a 3D 60 camera, right? It has sensors everywhere. So these are parking sensors. Also, the other Mercedes had parking sensors, but then this one has something more different, and I'm going to show you also its cameras inside there. So when you look at how it was made like this, all modifications are here, right? So when you look at the in front just like this, I'm going to show you the inside system here. When you look at its engine here, you can see how it was well packed. Actually, for me here, I can't explain anything because I don't understand anything here because I'm a trader. But people who know cars, they can explain to you the engine type. But I know it's a petrol. So guys, when you look at these AMG rims, I drove this car in the rain, and it gave me that nice feeling. Actually, I even wanted to sit outside and I just see it moving. You're going to see that clip. When you look at it, I don't know for sure, since I know Forex more, I don't know how to explain more of these cars. So people who know cars, they know how to tell that this car has this and this. But for me, I will tell you what I liked on the car, right? So that Mercedes that I have, the old one, I remember in Uganda we have bad roads. I saw people complaining of roads and what. So in Uganda we have bad roads here. That's why my old Mercedes has been facing a lot of challenges on humps and then on the bad roads. But then this new Mercedes has cool features. There is a button, we are going to show it to you in here. When you press that button, this car raises up. When it raises up, even if it is a bad road, even if you're having humps, you can't feel any pain, because when those cars hit the ground down there, You know our roads here in Uganda. You feel that pain on your heart. You know your car is like your wife, right? So with this one, I've tested it even on bad roads. It has a very cool feature. It doesn't hit down here. So I'm going to show you its interior now. So let's come to the best part, and that is the interior. I like the interior of this new special car of ours, AMG. I'm the only trader with this type in Uganda. So come. So when you look at our interior inside here, you can see how this thing looks like. How this thing looks legit. So guys, again look at also its lighting in in here. It has a very special features. Let me light it. First, it is a push to start. You can see the steer wheel, very good. It has it has gear shifters. When you check but also here we have a touchpad here. My control panel is for the touchpad. We have its volume button is in here, and the other feature I told you about, whereby this car can lift itself with this part. This is its button here. So we have different modes of this car. When I place here on the they call it agility. It has the sport mode, it has comfort mode, it has sport plus mode, it has eco mode, it has comfortable mode. So in every mode that you would feel like, it gives you that best feeling. So this car can also know its surroundings, the cars. When you check also on so for the gear levers, they are always here, up here. So for this one, it can drive itself and stay in its own lane. When you check here, this is for the wipers, and in case of too much rain, of course, it increases its speed automatically. So this thing is more of an hybrid, a Benz hybrid. So when you check on these other cool features here, it has this lane control feature, it has this steer wheel feature, it has some automatic parking system, it has this cool button here whereby you can decrease or increase the light in your driver's dashboard here. It has a very good sound. So I installed in the Harman Kardon sound system. It has memory. It can memorize the sitting posture that you're in. It has it has a massaging part. It can massage you as well if your body is tired. These nice features here. You can check it's compatible here. It's very nice. It has in charging systems here. You can put in an SD or a memory card, and I'm going to get also a small fridge in here. Let's come and look at it's compatible here. This thing, everything of it, it is very electrolyzed. When you check, it has its perfume here. It has a Mercedes perfume. So this is where you place it. It has a lot of things that I also don't know actually. I'm also seeing things as new things because I've not been having this car. So it has also the I think lock the boot or open it from this passenger's seat. You can check also the memory seats here. It has this one is for the headrest here. This one is for actually it has also the leg rest. You can check out this cool feature if you want to sleep. So you can make this thing as a bed. You can make this as a bed.